3 Steps to Getting Started as a Freelancer. This video is part of a series on Successful Wealthy Freelancer and Mind Your Work, Work Your Mind. If you are in a 9-to-5 job, and no matter how you hate it, don't leave it just yet. Be strategic and overlap what you're doing for 1 year with freelancing. Because freelancing is not for everyone. It is very hard work. Now, let's get to the 3 steps to getting started as a freelancer. Step 1. Test it out if freelancing is for you while you're also working another job. You might say you don't have enough time in the day. If you're working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. you have time. And from 5:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. you have time. You have a whole another half of a day that you could devote to doing something else. Now if you don't feel the pull to work that hard to see if this is the life for you, then it might not be the life for you because it's gonna be hard work and is going to require you to work odd hours, at times. Step 2. You have to decide what you're going to sell or what service to provide as a freelancer. That means you need to find your passion. A lot of people would say they don't know what their passion is. Everyone knows what their passion is, but you have to actually spend some time to think about it. Here are some tips to identifying your passion. Tip number 1. What did you used to do when you were a kid? Did you paint? What did you paint? Did you bake? Did you write? Draw? And so on. Whatever it was, it's something that you like to do before you learn to constrain yourself because of fear of frustrations or being ridiculed. Tip number 2. Go on your social media and see what type of social groups or topics you follow. If your whole feed is full of fashion accounts, then you might like fashion or fashion marketing. You might want to do fashion writing. Fashion data entry. Whatever it is, check out what you actually like, because the type of people you follow on social media also reveals your preference. Tip number 3. Do a brain dump or mind mapping. Get a piece of paper and write down things that you are passionate about. Things that you like. It could be biking. It could be surfing. It could be lettuce or the keto diet. It could be your cat or dog. It could be anything as long as you enjoy or get the satisfaction of doing them. Write it all down and walk away for a while. Go on a walk. Come back and see if you can start making groupings of those things you wrote down. You might begin to notice that 80 of the 100 things you like is food. Or it could be traveling or visiting places. You get the point. Whatever it is, this process will help you start to understand where the majority of your passions lie. So, if you do all these 3 tips and take action to determine your inclinations, you should start to get a good idea about what your passions are. Now that you've realized what makes you tick, start taking steps toward it, while staying at your job for a little longer. This gives you a better footing and confidence at transitioning to freelancing while you're still learning your way around it. Now, let's get to the final step 3 to getting started as a freelancer. Step 3. Taking action by actually signing up and offering them. You officially become a freelancer when someone is willing to pay for your services at your own pace, your own time, and price. I hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. The next video will show you where you can apply and take action on step number 3 without leaving your home. So, stay tuned for more actionable, inspirational series of Mind Your Work, Work Your Mind. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.